Hello everyone, Johnny here with McWane Science Center, and welcome back to SciSparks. We've all poured ourselves a glass of water. In today's episode we ask, what if water could pour itself? Stay tuned to find out. Here I have a beaker of water. When I tip it, it pours out, just as you would expect. Now to this beaker, I've added polyethylene oxide to my water. At first, it pours just like a regular water. But watch what happens when I tip it back. It just won't stop. How is this possible? In order to understand, we need to know that polyethylene oxide is a polymer. Polymers are groups of molecules all linked together, like a chain. In polyethylene oxide's case, these polymer chains are so long, they get all tangled up like spaghetti. When poured, these polymer chains move as one, demonstrating viscoelastic behavior. Visco meaning they act like a liquid, and elastic meaning they act like a solid. So what you end up with is like this chain of beads. Once they start, the weight of the beads outside of the beaker pulls the rest of the beads with it, and it just keeps going. Something similar is happening with our polyethylene oxide. The weight of the molecule chain outside of the beaker pulls the rest of the molecules with it. If these long polymers are what allow our liquids to self-pour, what happens if we break them up, say, in a blender? Remember my beads from earlier? Without the chain-like structure holding them together, it pours, just like any other liquid. By blending our polyethylene oxide, we break those polymer chains, and look at that. Just like any other liquid. But here's the thing. If you'd like to experiment with polymers, you do not have to mix up a tall glass of polyethylene oxide. Just head to your kitchen and crack an egg. Because egg whites, they self-pour too. Better get cracking. Those egg whites won't separate themselves. Thank you for watching this episode of SciSparks. If you enjoyed this episode, let us know by leaving us a like. And to catch new episodes as they're released, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.